So in this video, I'm making a scrub for stretch mark. I'm gonna use this scrub in my bathroom. Why I'm using this scrub for stretch mark, I have a lot because of the on and off weight, and I always have stretch mark on my tummy, but I try to tone them down. What most people don't know, when it's a genetic stretch mark you have, because you have some stretch mark where you will use ointment on it and it will go away, and you will have some stretch mark that you only have to keep treating it so it fade away and matches your normal skin. So my stretch mark them are forever, but I still treat them because I want to let them be at a certain level, because after a while, if you notice, if you have stretch mark and you say, oh, my stretch mark not going anywhere, I ain't doing anything to them, you notice they get ugly and uglier. Yes, they look worse and worse every day. So it's best, even if you think that your stretch mark won't go away because they're genetic, they can be treated in some form or way that it will help you to. 3/4 cup sugar, I'm going to use just 1 teaspoon rice powder, 1 tablespoon rice powder. That's a tablespoon. I said teaspoon. Half tablespoon coconut oil. You can use the liquid or the food because this will melt out, just because the place cool while it sleeves up like that. Then I'm going to use I'm going to use 1 tablespoon, and this is olive oil. I wanted to look for yes, this is olive oil. It's sunflower oil and extra virgin olive oil. So both sunflower and extra virgin olive oil. I'm using 1 tablespoon. And I'm also using 1 tablespoon lemon juice. And this is pure lemon. I don't have the other lemon, but it's good if you have the next one, but this works just the same. I'm gonna mix all ingredients together. Also going to use 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. It normally go over because I need something to drop it, but it's okay. And that's tea tree oil. Now if you're wondering how long this can stay for in your bathroom without spoil, I would say a month. You can have it in there for a month, but I normally mix anything that I'm using and let it last for 2 weeks. So after you mix everything together, you will notice that the rice is taking a little bit more time to melt. So you're gonna put down this for at least half an hour to an hour before using it. Make sure all the ingredients come together, the rice soften out in it. Then I'm gonna throw it in this container and keep it in my bathroom. I used to have stretch mark on my breast area, and I don't have any more there. because of the same ingredients. The only thing that I do different is the oil that I use, the sunflower oil. I don't normally have the sunflower oil in there. That's the only thing I use different, and it really helps, like even at my thigh area, and it's really helped me. So this little that I have here, I have right here, I'm gonna just do a small demonstration on an area where I have stretch mark. So this is what is going to stay in my bathroom, and I just continue use it. If you have a glass jar, it's best to use a glass jar. This is really thick, that's why I use it, but it's best to use, this is really thick, right? So I use this one, but it's best to use a glass jar to store anything like this in. It's always best, but this is hard plastic, so it's good enough. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do a small demonstration with this. So this is what I do. I rub this on the area. See, most of my stretch marks are fading away. And I don't mean it fade away. Same time, what happen is that over a period of time, and use this daily for faster result. So I let this stay on for like at least sometimes I leave it on like for half an hour, maybe even when I just wake up I rub it on and do some stuff in the house, and then I go and rinse it off. Depends on your lifestyle. If you stay long in your bathroom, then no problem. So I have to maintain my stretch marks. I just rub it to the two sides. And then what I'll do now, I'll use a warm towel after and cleanse it off. So basically that's it, nothing hard to it, and it really works, especially if you put in on and off weight. This really help you. You can do it even while you're pregnant, because it's not going to damage the baby or anything like that.